This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta. Today I've got a brand new 2025 567 Peterbilt. It's got the 75,000 pound Galfab cable roll-off hoist on it with a Pioneer tarp system. It's got a 20,000 pound steer axle with dual steering gears, 425, 65, 22.5 steer tires. It's got 46,000 pound rears with Hendrickson Haulmax suspension, 11R 22.5 drive tires. It has a full steel liner, locking differentials, 410 gears. It's got 23-foot long rails. They're approximately 35.5 inches outside to outside width. Differentials also have full lockers and lube pumps. Got our frame mounted toolbox over here. Space saver aluminum battery box. Side of cab exhaust. It is a setback front axle. Let's take a look under the hood. Under the hood, we've got our 455 horse Paccar MX13 engine. Behind that is the Allison 4500 series 6-speed automatic transmission. Some battery jump start studs underneath the hood here. Looking inside, we've got our prestige interior. This truck has leather seats on both sides. It's our hoist controls. A few extra dash gauges. AM/FM Bluetooth radio. Wiring for your CB radio up top is all there. Multi-function steering wheel. She's down here ready to go to work. So if you could use this one, give me a call. 706-372-4698.